Alright, we're out in the Chevy Diesel today. I have to do the windshield wiper switch. You can see it's broke. You can pull it back out. There we go. So, gonna pull the wheel off and see what we're up against here. So, first thing you do is you pull the retainer off for the wheel, the horn, and we're gonna have to take that clip off and then take that nut off. Alright, so once you take that clip out, I just used 2 screwdrivers, pry the end apart and push it off. You can go ahead and take your nut off. The nut on my truck is a 13/16, and it just came freely very easily. Okay, now we get the steering wheel puller out and we'll pull the wheel off. Alright, I have my puller set up. I strongly advise, if your wheel doesn't have a marking, this wheel has a notch right here. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. There's a notch right there. And there's a notch on the wheel itself. So you want to make sure that you line both notches back up. And if your wheel doesn't have notches, it'd be a good idea to put some in. One on the wheel itself and one on the shaft. But my shaft is notched right there. You can see both notches line up. That's what you need to do when you're putting it back together, otherwise your wheel's going to be on wrong. Alright, so you have your steering wheel off, and this is just a little plastic dust cover. It's held in like that. There's clips. All these holes have little clips in them. You can pretty much just take your screwdriver, come in behind it, lift it up and out. You just do that for all 3 sides and it'll come right off. That's just pretty much a dust cover. Now you can get your puller on. I threaded the puller on, or for the lock ring. Put the tool on here, thread it in a little ways. Make sure you have a good connection there. Find 2 good opposing spots. There's enough metal for the tool to press against. And then tighten the tool down. And that'll push the lock ring down. You can see it going down. Okay. Now you have access to this snap ring in here. You can get in there with a little pair of needle nose pliers or a screwdriver. You pretty much just gotta pull that ring out, so then you can get your lock plate off. Alright, now that we have our snap ring off, we can go ahead and loosen the ring. See how it's coming up. And that's it, really. Let's pull our tool off and see what we got. And now, that little arm came off of there. You just took the screw out. You have to take that screw out, and that screw out to get the cam out for the turn signals.